Man, that's crazy. Got the Interchiller right there. This the Interchiller right there. See that wastegate right there. Got a Turbosmart wastegate right there. And the other one.
Perfect.
Welcome to the AutoLust YouTube channel. And if you don't know, then now you know. But I'm getting my 1200 horsepower BMW X6M, also known as Sasha. This is the day before I pick her up. You know, so this is early. You know, we in the future right now. But I had to show you, you know, what's going on behind these doors at Boosted BIMMERS. This is unprecedented. The first 2022 top mount turbo M340i in the world. Huge top mount turbo. I mean, this thing got so much going on, gang. Like, this man putting some money in this car. He should be around 900 plus, probably 1,000 all-wheel horsepower. Let's go and see this car. We in the lab of the mad scientist himself. You already know that it's BIMMERS up under these car covers. Big crazy ass downpipes. Look how thick this downpipe is. That's my hand on it. I can't even get my hand halfway around this downpipe. Crazy. And this it right here, gang. Look at that. Look at that turbo. It's huge.
Let's take the guard off.
Let's take the guard off.
Show the inside of it.
Gee. Man, that's crazy. Look at this thing. They doing port injection. Man, what are you doing to it?
A lot. We're doing a lot, man. And I got a timely manner to get this thing done, bro.
Timely manner.
This thing's got to get done before invasion. I'm like,
okay. This will be at the invasion.
Yeah, it's gonna be there. It's gonna be there for sure. So, yeah. To start off with, it's a KLM kit, single top mount turbo kit for this car.
Okay.
Size for the turbo is a 6466.
6466.
Mainly what everybody goes with on these cars. It's like the comfortable power range. We obviously going with motor reflex because this is a 2022. So, and I don't know if a lot of people know about like the G20s and stuff like that, but these cars, the DMEs, they come locked.
Oh yeah, because they knew the bench unlock.
Right, you got to send them out to a company called Femto, and they do the unlock. Which is a process already, but the owner of this car, his name is Keith. The guy knows a lot about cars, so he did mostly everything. He like sent the DME out. The car was down for about 2 weeks in his garage because by the time they send the DME out and get it back, it's like a 2-week time frame. But yeah, I mean, pretty much a lot of like, I don't want to say bolt on because that kit was definitely not bolt on. There was a bunch of stuff that I had to do like custom, bro, and it was like a nightmare. And then the hardest thing about it is that I can't refer to somebody else or like call the company who makes the kit.
Because this is the first one.
This is the first 2022 M340. So it was like, bro, it was a nightmare, man.
Gang, this car is gorgeous too.
Yeah, it's a nice car.
It is gorgeous. Man, y'all here with Mr. Boosted BIMMERS himself.
It's a little dirty right now, but my shop is dirty, everything is dirty. Trying to get all these cars ready for the invasion because, bro, I've got like 5 people now waiting on me to get their cars done.
Yeah, hey, gang, y'all already know. I will be at BIMMERS Invasion. You know, y'all want to come see Sasha. Y'all want to come see Boosted BIMMERS in his cars. Y'all want to come see the M Doctor. We will be at BIMMERS Invasion 2023, February 18th at Desertland, whatever the hell you call it. We will be in the building. And if you don't know about Sasha, I got something extremely special. You're gonna know Sasha when you see her, not just from the paint scheme, but you will see what I'm talking about. It's a little surprise. You know, I'm a little bit more, you know, we corporate thugging it. It's a little bit more professional now. So way more professional than it was last year, where the car was just parked there with the hood popped and the card say take a card. So, you know, we to the next level now, you know. So we will be at BIMMERS Invasion, but let's get over here to Orlando and pick this car up and see what it looks like.
A few moments later.
So we just not pulling up at Agua Dealer. let's go in here and check on the baby and see how far she done came. I know I'm gonna be able to make it. I know I should be able to make it to BMW Invasion, but I'm not gonna be able to show up with the car tuned, because for a tune as custom as mine, it takes time, you know, to get everything, the fuel and spark trims right, you know, fuel and air trims right, and stuff like that. So it's gonna take time to do those, to do a custom tune. So let's just go in here and see how far she done came, and we gonna go from there. And it's a little windy. Hold on. It is a little windy out here, so you know, forgive me for the wind. But in this video, in the Beamer Invasion 2023 video, will run real close to each other. So 9 times out of 10, if you looking at this video right now, then I have the Beamer Invasion video out the same day or a couple days, maybe Saturday night or Sunday. So the 18th, definitely check for that Beamer Invasion video, because I'm gonna try to be the first one to release that content this year. So stay tuned for that. But I'm going here to check the card now. And this, if you guys don't know what F90 this is, this F90 made, I think, 1,030 all-wheel horsepower. You know, that bitch the animal. And that one is too. Both of them F90s animals. Got an M3 on the lift. Look at Sasha front bumper right there. And we got some stuff in here from the front of the car. So let's see what we got going on up front. Okay, we doing the AC lines. As you can see, everything wrapped up. Got the Interchiller right there. This the Interchiller right there. We still gotta take the factory heat exchangers out. And the intercoolers is out, so we can get the METH bong inside. As you can see, it's already in there. This is a METH bong right here, and it's inside of this coupler right there. I'm gonna zoom in so you can see. That's where the METH is gonna enter, that coupler right there. So we got that done, and we just gotta do this one too, unless this one already been done, I'm not sure. But yeah, we definitely got that Interchiller hooked up. As you can see, I got it running directly to the AC. Got the cutoff valve right here, you know, custom crimp lines. Got it welded right there for the cutoff, and that's the accumulator right there. I think, move this out the way. Yeah, that's the accumulator right here. The turbos, let me see, the wastegates. As you can see, the Turbosmart wastegate is right here. See that wastegate right there? Got a Turbosmart wastegate right there. And the other one is right there. You can see the silver band around it. So the Turbosmart wastegates are definitely on, you know, so it ain't much left to do. You know, put the other METH nozzle in, finish doing the AC, and hook the run this hose right here. That hose is gonna go right here, and it's gonna fill up the tank, come out, and go straight to the intercooler. So I'm gonna be getting ice cold air from that Interchiller straight to the intercooler. So yeah, everything looked good. He had to loosen this up a little bit too. Had to take this loose a little bit. But yeah, this video gonna be a short one because I just came to check on the baby. I should be picking her up she should be ready today, but I probably don't pick her up till Friday. So, you know, just if you not going to be on Beamer Invasion, look out for that video, because that video will be out right after this one, either the same day or the next day. You know, I'm gonna try to get that Beamer Invasion video out either Sunday night or first thing, Saturday night or first thing Sunday morning. But I'll probably put it out Saturday night just to be the first one to it. So like, share, and subscribe, and Auto Lust out.